Hi friends, happy Valentine's Day to you all. I'm going to express my love by baking this cake. Hashtag formula for love. Add maida flour 1 cup and 1 cup of powdered sugar and filter it. Then add half a teaspoon of baking powder and half a teaspoon of cooking soda to it and filter it. Now add 3/4 cup of cocoa powder. Now filter it nicely, mix all the ingredients well with a spatula, and this is ready. Mix well. Now add 1 or 2 eggs to this. You can add one more extra if you want. Slowly break the egg and add it. Now blend it well with a blender. Don't be in a hurry. Do it slowly. Blend it well. Now add 1.5 teaspoon of butter. Blend it well. Now see the consistency. It should be pouring consistency. And now add butter to the baking bowl. Apply it around the bowl. I have selected 18. Today is Valentine's Day. So now dust the maida powder into the bowl, and then the bowl is ready. Pour the mixture into it and bake it for 120 degrees into the microwave for 25 minutes, and your cake is ready to be served. Now plate it into a plate. Yes, happy Valentine's Day to you all. Love you all. Hope